are committed to clean governance as we are equally committed to radical economic transformation. Was to say, to which extent has this contributed to radical economic transformation? To which level? Because we must know that, and we are going to push this not for only ourselves. We must all be held accountable. If you talk about the distribution of food parcels, to make an example, there was a social development, but also there was a program through the Solidarity Fund. And accountability must not only be with us, all of us across the board must be held accountable. We are fully committed to the principle of clean governance, and we would want that clean governance to be maintained, but we will equally want to advance radical economic transformation. We will not want to see these benefits going to one and the same companies. They must be spread. But two, we would want to see those who were oppressed, the blacks, benefiting from this procurement. So we are going to do that. We will see. One of the things that we are considering, we are discussing, not in government now, but in the ANC, is that there must be an analysis of government spend annually as to which and how it has contributed to radical economic transformation. We are repeating the statement we've made here that some are saying we have not delivered because to a certain extent they are frustrated that they didn't benefit the way they used to, because they have been monopolizing the state. Now, we are not going to hear back be held on ransom by people who mobilize on the basis that they didn't benefit and they want everything on their own. No, criticism is correct. But if you criticize, tell us, let's investigate, but let us advance radical economic transformation. And on that one, we're not going to be apologetic. It is the policy of the African National Congress, and the ANC is the one that have mandated us to be in government. We're going to advance it in each and every procurement, in each and every expenditure. We will have to say, this is how far we've gone in terms of benefiting the Africans and the blacks in general, the people who were previously marginalized from the economic mainstream of this country for more than 3 centuries. And that must be understood clearly. We are not going to apologize on that, and we are not going to apologize on the quality of services that is provided to the people. Even if it is a black company, it must provide a service that is of good quality, that will last. And that is our approach as KwaZulu-Natal government.